In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable JavaScript in Google Chrome. So we need to go to Google, then we need to click those three dots on the right, choose Settings from the list. Now, in the search bar, write Site Settings and choose it from the records showed below. Now, we need to scroll down a bit to find the JavaScript, and as you can see, it is not allowed right now, so we need to click that sites can use JavaScript, and for example, we wanted some sites to be exempt from it, so you just add if you like Amazon.com, and it won't be allowed to use JavaScript. So that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.